We're out here in Bushwick today shooting on the Instax Mini 40 and the Polaroid Go, two of 2021's hottest instant cameras. As you can see, there's a pretty big size difference. There's a few features available on each one. We're gonna test them out today, see how they do out on the streets. Let's go! The Polaroid Go is Polaroid's newest and smallest instant camera. It currently sells for $99 for just the camera, or $119.99 with a 16-pack of color film. At 5.9 by 3.3 by 2.4 inches and weighing just a little more than half a pound, this camera lives up to its name. It easily fits in a purse and is also comfortable strapped around your wrist. The plastic construction is reminiscent of older Polaroid designs. Film comes through a front-loaded slot with a frog tongue to help protect the film as it prints. Meanwhile, the bright red shutter button and large optical viewfinder make it fun and simple to use. The selfie mirror in the front is a nice finishing touch. There's also an electronic window that shows how many exposures you have left. Polaroid Go's rechargeable battery pack lasts up to 15 packs of film, giving you plenty of shooting time. Polaroid Go uses small 2.6 by 2.1 inch film. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to fully develop and costs $19.99 for a 16 pack. The camera also includes bonus features like a self-timer and a double exposure function, while the lens shoots at 34mm with f12 or f52 apertures. Focus and exposure are automatic, and you can toggle the flash on and off. The Instax Mini 40 is Fujifilm's reimagined Mini 11, with a faux leather aesthetic resembling a nostalgic feel for classic film cameras. It currently sells for $99.95. and uses Instax Mini film, which comes in multiple different styles with various colors and pattern designs. Measuring 4 by 4.8 by 2.6 inches and weighing 330 grams, the Instax Mini 40 is a little bigger than the Polaroid Go. It also has a strap attachment, and the film is also released from the top end of the camera. However, there is no frog tongue. Like the Go, the Instax Mini 40 also has a selfie mirror, and it's a little bit more reflective than the Polaroid. You can also pull the lens forward for a close-up shot. The Instax Mini 40 uses AA batteries, which will last through approximately 10 packs of film. It also powers off automatically after 5 minutes. The size of the film is 2.4 by 1.8 inches wide. The Instax Mini 40 also uses an automatic exposure with a native 800 ISO and autofocus. Reloading the film now, it's very easy. Unwrap the package, pop the back, pop the film in, and then shoot one of the shots, and you're good to start shooting. Polaroid today, Polaroid yesterday. One of the coolest features of the Polaroid Go is that you can do a double exposure, which means you're taking two photos on one piece of film. It produces a really cool overlap effect, and we're gonna try it out right now at Ollie's ice cream shop. Shooting on both cameras today, I far preferred the photos we captured on the Instax Mini 40. The images had better, more realistic color rendition than the Go photos, and were generally sharper and less washed out. Additionally, the Instax Mini film also comes in a variety of colors and styles. We shot on the pink lemonade and contact sheet film. Currently, Polaroid only offers one style of Go film. The Go photos are certainly nostalgic, with a magenta hue that's reminiscent of the photos you'd get from a vintage Polaroid camera. It also has those cool extra features like the double exposure and self-timer function. Our first attempt at the double exposure did not go to plan. Shooting a bright subject inside on the first exposure and outside on a bright day for the second exposure resulted in a washed out image. On our second attempt, I photographed our producer Alex inside with a faint light source behind him. The second exposure was a grid of small lights. The end result was a visually interesting overlay. Another factor to consider is the significant difference in developing time. The Instax Mini 40 photos developed in just 90 seconds, whereas the Polaroid Go photos took between 15 to 25 minutes. We've just finished shooting in Bushwick for the day, and honestly, we had a great time using both cameras. Both of them have pros and cons. The Polaroid Go is small and has those added features like the self-timer and the double exposures, whereas the Instax Mini 40 is so easy to use. You just turn it on, hit the shutter, the light adjusts for itself, the film develops in 90 seconds, and it's, you know, a slightly better quality film, I would say. Ultimately, you're gonna have a lot of fun whichever camera you choose. It really depends which suits you more as a photographer. If you want those added functionalities, Polaroid Go. If you want the better quality film that develops faster, Instax Mini 40. Either model, great option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Focus Camera TV. See you next time.